In this video, I'll be showing you how to install your handle onto the FlipStep. Begin by placing a piece of tape on the top of the handle. Next, rest it on top of the handle base, and with a rubber mallet, gently tap it into place, trying to align the holes in the handle base and in the handle. Now grab the clevis pin from the install kit and remove the snap ring. Now insert the clevis pin into the handle base and tap it in with that rubber mallet. Once the clevis pin is all the way through, grab that snap ring and put it onto the clevis pin. Now your handle is installed.